Happening right now, ready for tomorrow. Speedmaster. Yeah, look at that. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Early birds gets warm. Subukan natin kung makakahuli tayo ngayon. So, like, woohoo! Enter is on. Look at that. Be safe, everyone.
2 hours later.
Guys, look at this. Ooh, we're here at our spot. Look at this, guys.
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my fucking friends.
Wait,
I'm still sleeping.
are you okay, bro? So we're setting up our gear using my Dynaflare Shimano and then Speedmaster 14,000. Easy, just like that. So ready na lahat. Hindi tayo nakabili ng manok kaya isda ang ginamit natin. Nakabili tayo sa mobile. Woohoo! One more. Yeah, one more.
What's alarm? Oh, ito na.
One more. Malaki nga. Wah! Naglabasa na.
Huwag mo na bukatin dahil baka lumahit pa.
Ha?
40. Ulit.
Bumatras. 40. Nice.